Now, let me bring to your notice to all females that if you have not experienced pregnancy stage, or if you have not been pregnant before ever in your life, that means you have constantly killed millions, thousands of eggs. Do you know that? Have you heard of that? So you are actually killing so many cells if you have not gotten pregnancy before in your life. So in this ovulation stage, what happens if a female do not ovulate? Ovulation, first, what is ovulation? And ovulation is the complete release of egg from the ovary to the fallopian tube. That is what's called ovulation. And during this ovulation, there is hormonal surge. Which hormonal surge? The luteinizing hormone. The luteinizing hormone increases, and as this luteinizing hormone increases, it signifies that ovulation is about to occur. So the follicle stimulating hormone and the luteinizing hormone now cause the follicle to start swelling up. So as the follicle starts swelling up, it is done by the follicle stimulating hormone and the luteinizing hormone. And this now bulge out due to the follicle have swelled up. They now bulge out at the surface of the ovary. As they bulge out at the surface of the ovary, what happened? The stigma burst, and as the stigma burst, ejection of the oocytes. Now look at the stigma here now, and this stigma also secretes a fluid-like structure that is like a fluid-like structure that is slippery. So before ovulation occur, so at the vaginal region, there is a fluid-like structure that is slippery. That is what we call, that is when ovulation is about to occur. And if you just notice that, just know, one, you are not in your safe period, and secondly, ovulation is about to take place. The stigma have what? Burst, have rupture. So oocyte is about to release, and when this oocyte is released, it is now released to the ampulla of the fallopian tube. And this oocyte, when it's released, it contains corona radiata surrounding the zona pellucida. Now look at this structure now. This structure is what we call the corona radiata. This corona radiata now surrounds the zona pellucida. This zona pellucida now surrounds the primary oocyte. And the primary oocyte now contains cytoplasms and nucleus. So there is a sensation which is usually felt. So during ovulation, there is this slight sensation you felt. Now just know that there is a sensation that is felt during ovulation.